We're gonna build our volcano and see what happens. The volcano that took 2 weeks to build.
So first we're gonna put in the baking soda.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Boom! Boom!
We'll put that in.
I'm also green.
So now we're gonna put in the vinegar. And let's see what happens.
Oh!
Whoa, and we got an explosion.
Yeah.
Boom! Crinkling.
There we go.
Yeah,
That's
so
what
that's
we-
what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar.
Daddy, put some more. Put some more baking soda. Try it again. So,
Thanks for watching our channel.
Hope you like and subscribe.
ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.